Because here is the explanation of the exercise number 8. The program belongs to the exercise 8 package and imports necessary classes for file handling, specifically buffer reader, buffer writer, and file writer for reading and writing files. The class exercise 8 is defined, encapsulating the functionality of the program. The main method serves as the entry point of the program. It defines the path of the file to read from file name and the text to search for within that file search text. Then we use a try with resources. This construct is used to automatically manage resource closing for the buffer reader and buffer writer. It creates a buffer reader to read the specified file and buffer writer to write results to results.txt. Uh, then a string variable line is initialized to hold each line read from the file, and an integer line number is initialized to count the line of numbers. Then we have a while loop for line reading. The program enters a loop that continues as long as there are lines to read from the file, and each iteration reads a line from the file and increments the line number. Here is this condition. Then the program checks for the occurrence of search text in the current line using index of. The method returns the index of the first occurrence or -1 if it's not found. Then we have an inner while loop for finding all occurrences. If the text is found, in example column index is not -1, the program enters another loop to find all occurrences in that line. It writes the line number and the column index, adjusted by adding 1 for one base indexing to the results file, and then we update the search index. After writing the current occurrence, the program updates column index to search for the next occurrence of search text, starting just after the last found index. If any I/O exception occurs while reading from or writing to the file, it is caught and an error message is printed.